Hello class 11, welcome to your online education class. In the last day we have started a new chapter, that is the place of a teacher, how teacher helps us and what else. So today we will start with the role of a teacher. Now as I have told you that in the previous day I have discussed that role of a teacher is equally significant how it was in the primitive age, but the concept of the teacher has been changed. In the previous days the teacher used to put the knowledge to the empty brain of the child, and without any hesitation, without any asking, without any clearance of doubt, the students used to by heart, and it was mainly dependent on the theoretical bookish knowledge. But nowadays the concept of education has changed, and simultaneously the function of the teacher and the position of the student has also changed. So today we will discuss the second topic of this chapter, that is the role of a teacher in modern education. It is written in the book and you will get it in the PDF as well. Modern education is child-centric and changes have taken place in the activities of factors involved in education. So the process of teaching, the material of education, what you are receiving, it has become more practical in nature. It has dependent more or less basically on self-activated process where you are participating, you are getting opportunity to do practical work. So along with the changes of the society, the changes of the entire educational system and the concept of education, format of education and the concept of teacher and student, everything has changed. According to the modern system of education, the child is at the center of the entire system, as I have told, and has been considered as a prime factor in education. So here you are getting opportunity to choose your own subject. Hence, this is the modern system. The child in this modern system of education, child will get enough opportunity to gain experience through self-activity. As I have told you that the child will be activated with the encouragement of the teacher, and the teacher will also help to guide and to counsel the correct path of the children. The different aspect in our teacher will be required to provide active help are as follows. So, how the students will be guided and what the teacher's functions are, that are I am discussing now. Number one, no extra burden of knowledge should be thrust upon the student. Thrust means to put on upon the student by the teachers. To perform this task well, a teacher before facing the student, she must choose her own subject unit of discussion. So no extra burden or pressure will be provided to the student, and before teaching to the student, the teacher will always try to explain, try to know and learn what she is going to teach you now or today. Next point, for the all-round development of the personality of an individual, a teacher will, you will get this PDF in your YouTube channel. Whatever I am discussing now, you will get it in your PDF. Along with the, in book also you will get. For the all-round development of the personality of an individual, a teacher will have to accept several other programs along with the subject matter and the curriculum program. So only the teacher's function will not only be confined in case of in the field of education and teaching. So it will be an all-rounded activity where physical, aesthetic, mental, moral, all type of development are increasing their quantity wise and quality wise. So that programs will be held by the teachers, and the subject teachers will organize program so that they help the students to increase their all-round development. Next point, a teacher should undertake different activities in school environment with an aim to include different elements of the society. Now see, in a society where we are living, different sorts of people are there, where some NGOs are running, they are going with a huge success, they are running with huge success. Some some like Danotsav activity is also there, where you are it's a group of people in the school. Also initiatives are taken to gift something before puja to the poor students, and different sorts of social activity where social people are involved, as well as you individually are involving yourself for the betterment of the society. Now plantation is also a program which can be conducted, and providing food to the people, those who are facing some natural disaster in their life, like in villages, when they face some natural disasters or natural calamity, then the teachers will encourage the student to stand beside them. Next point, the role of a teacher in modern education will be of a developer or of ideal relationship with the family of the educand. So teacher will not only see the education and all these programs, but they will see that the student is keeping a good and healthy relation with his or her family. Next, the behavior of an individual ideal teacher will always inspire the people to develop their philosophy of life. Now, see, if I say some bad words to you, when I'm scolding you or I'm punishing you when you are doing something wrong, then that maybe you have done because you are too small to understand everything. You have done something wrong, and but in spite of that, if I say something bad, it will influence your life, and there will be a feeling of hatred towards me or any of your parents, those who are telling, though it is not good, but still it happens. So the behavior, the personality, the thought and thinking should be like that of a teacher, so that the students can consider them as the ideal of their life, and they can follow their ideals and they can follow their thoughts, so that in future they get a better and prosperous life. Yes. In the modern system of next point, in the modern system of education, an important task of a teacher is to take note of performances of the student immediately after their activities. So it is also it is called immediate evaluation. The last point means here the teacher is means after teaching. See, when I am explaining you something, you are listening to the point. So just after completion of the class, if I ask you, there's a high probability that some of you will tell all the points whatever I have told. Maybe one or two you will miss, but the majority point you will keep it in mind. So though I am not in support of immediate examination system, because the you have to read by yourself, you have to understand yourself what is the inner meaning of the topic, what it is discussing, everything you have to understand, and then only you are able to write it in your own language. If you want to cram always, then it will not help you. So but still the for successful implementation of modern system of education, our teachers will try and emphasize on immediate evaluation. So immediately after giving the reading the text or understanding the meaning of the text, the teacher will take initiative to conduct exam, and that will be the best exam best evaluation for the teachers and the students. So these are the more or less role which a modern teacher can play to enhance the quality of teaching, enhance the subject matter of the teaching, and also to encourage the students. So this is all about today's discussion. In the next day we will start with the third and the last topic of this chapter, that is a school is a miniature society. Now let me tell a little one or two point why we are telling that school is a miniature society, because school is the first step just after the means for the child, those who are coming forward for the next generation, for the next citizen, those who are for them it is the first step where they are being introduced with the outer world. They are coming to school, they are meeting their friends, they are meeting their teachers, and they are starting their interactions with others. And how it is helping, because see, when a child is in home, he or she is totally dependent on the parents, and obviously the parents always used to adjust with the need and requirement of a child, because they are too small, isn't it? So they will always rush towards them to help. But where the bigger society is considered, if we consider a big society where you also have to adjust and where you also have to accept others opinion, that is the school is the first place or the first society which is you introducing an individual with the bigger society, where you are, it's a miniature form of the society. That is why it is called that school is a miniature society, because the school is helping the individual to be introduced with the bigger world. So that we will discuss in details in the next day, and many points are there that we will discuss. So for today, thank you.